Hi Sutrapunks, hope you guys are doing great. This video is very important for you as you will get to know how you can manage your whole crypto portfolio from one Google Sheet. So this is a set of two videos. First is where we will give you our format. You simply need to add the name of the token, units and cost, and that's it. You can see the complete portfolio in that particular format. The second video is for those who have a very scattered and large portfolio. In that case, you may want to customize this sheet as per your needs. So we will be explaining it to you how you can build this sheet from scratch. If you are new to this channel, then welcome aboard. My name is Digant Chadha and CoinSutra is a one-stop shop for all your crypto needs. If this is something you are interested in, then click on subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is the portfolio tracker I'm talking about. First, let me explain this to you. All the gray cells are editable, right? So you need to enter your data only in these gray cells. All the blue cells are formula based, please don't touch them. Okay, so you need to fill in these gray columns. You need to add name of the currency, ticker, and the ID. I'll explain where you'll get IDs from. Then you need to add the units and cost. That's it. These 5 data points are required to be entered. Rest all is formula based. So these are your different exchanges and their market values. You can get the complete market value here, and this will be your profit and the profit percentages. Further, you get the allocation of large cap, mid cap and low cap. You also get to see the token price, market cap, 24-hour change, 7 days change and 30 days change. Now, the beauty of the sheet is the dashboard. You get cost, market value, ROI and ROI percentage. Further, you get bar charts for cost and the market value. You get portfolio allocation where you can see all your major holdings. You get portfolio allocation based on the market cap. So large cap, mid cap and low cap. And lastly, you get bifurcation of exchanges on which your funds are lying. Cool. Now we'll understand how you can create your own portfolio with this tracker. First of all, you need to copy this sheet. Please don't add your data in this sheet only because this is a public sheet. So you'll go to File and click on Make a Copy. Click on OK. Now, we simply need to follow these instructions. So there are in total 4 steps that we need to follow. Step 1 is that we need to fill column B, C and D in the portfolio sheet. You need to add the name of the cryptocurrency, symbol and its ID. So click on Portfolio. Now, name of the currencies will be added here, ticker will be added here and IDs will be added here. If you don't know the ID of a particular cryptocurrency, you simply go to the ID section and Control F. Let's find out Sandbox. So the ID of Sandbox is 6210. As you can see, it's already added over here. After filling up column B, C and D, we need to go back to the instructions. Now instruction says that you need to go to cell S3 of the portfolio sheet. You need to add name of the exchange, units and the cost. Let's go to the portfolio sheet, column S3. So here you need to add the name of the exchange, units and the cost. That's it. If you are using more than one exchange, then you can add those exchanges in the adjacent columns. Similarly, once you fill all these 5 columns, that's B, C, D, S and T, after this, you need to connect this particular sheet with CoinMarketCap API. So we'll simply go back to the instructions and follow step 3. Step 3 says go to extension. In some sheets, it's named as add-ons. Then go to API connector, then click on open. We'll click on add new. And we have to enter a URL path over here. So we'll simply copy this URL and paste it. Now we need to add the header, copy it and paste it. Now we need to add the API key. So this is my API key. Please generate your own API key. We have a separate video for that, or else you can use this key as well. paste it. Go to the IDs sheet, go to cell A1 and now click on set current. Now click on output options, select compact option, go further down. Let me name this as IDs. Click on save and click on run, and we'll wait till this processing is complete. Now your ID sheet is connected with CoinMarketCap API. The next step is to connect the price sheet with this API. Let's close this. Go to instructions. We need to follow instruction 4. Again, click on add-ons, click on API connector, click on open. And now we'll click on add new. Same process. Copy paste the path. Copy the header, API key, destination sheet is prices and the cell selected should be A1. Click on set current, select compact. Let's name this as prices. Click on save. Now I'll show you the portfolio sheet and now click on run. As soon as you'll click on run, these prices should be updated. Magic. So this is how it's done. Whenever you come back to this sheet, you just need to update all the prices. You simply go to add-ons, API connector and refresh all. It will update all the prices. Now just one last thing. What if I don't have the KNC token and I have some other token? For example, I have Somnium Space. Let's delete this. So Somnium Space ticker is Q. Let's find out the ID of Somnium Space. So go to ID, Control F, Somnium Space. The ID is 5338. Let's enter 5338. Now we will click on add-ons, click on API connector and click on open. Click on action in front of prices and click on edit. Now as you can see, I had already added IDs of the cryptocurrencies that I had in my portfolio. Now if you want to add Cube token to this list, simply press comma and 5338. Please make sure there are no spaces. Click on save and click on run. Cool. Now something very important. Please don't add any private key, wallet address or login credentials to this sheet. Only numbers should be there. I hope this video was helpful. It took us a lot of time just to create this format. If you like this video, then like, share and comment. Subscribe to CoinSutra newsletter for a free crypto trading ebook. Further, follow us on various social media platforms to stay updated about the crypto market. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.